Hello friends, as we all know, myopia is said to be the next pandemic. I would be talking about myopia control strategies with the Mero Eye Foundation from Nepal. The talk is scheduled to be on 28th of November at 8 p.m. Nepal time and 7:45 p.m. India time. I don't claim to be an expert in myopia control strategies, but whatever I've learned so far, I would be happy to share it with you. So let's have a nice interactive session on 28th. Remember the date. See you on 28th of November. Thank you so much.